Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to see 4 job recruitments which are from different companies. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and also if you feel that the video has helped you in some way, please give it a like and also share it amongst your friends. So let's start with the first recruitment. So the first recruitment is from Bentley, and the role is graduate trainee quality analyst. So you can see the date of release of the job is 7th of October, and let's see the responsibilities. So you can see the basic responsibilities over here. You can have a look at it. Moving ahead with the skills and skills, abilities and experience required. So you should have BE in computer science or IT or equivalent degree with knowledge in software automation preferred. Expertise in testing or quality assurance preferred. Scripting knowledge preferred. Should have good analytical and problem solving skills. Should have good written and verbal communication skills. This requires presence at Bentley Pune office and does not require travel. So this is a work from office job. So you need to move to the Bentley office of Pune. So in order to apply for it, you just have to click on apply now button, and you can just by simply entering your details, you can apply for this job. If you have any doubts regarding it, you can ask in the comment section. Next job is from GTLO, that is for the role of customer support analyst. So let's go ahead and read the details for it. So you can see the job description. Over here. So now let's see the qualifications required for this job. The ideal candidate should comfortable to work in 24/7 environment, rotating shift changing up to every month. So you can get rotating shifts, and you can even get to know the shift timings of yours. Have passion on technical knowledge learning and be quick learner. Provide customer service support to the organization by obtaining, analyzing and verifying the accuracy of the information in a timely manner. Initiates or implements corrective actions as needed. Have demonstrated ability to work in a fast-paced environment. Exceptional attention to detail, relevancy and authenticity. Enthusiastic self-learner. Exceptional attention to detail, ability to work. So these are some of the basic qualifications that are required. Now the technical requirements are any graduate with 0 to 1 year of experience, excellent customer service based on phone, chat or emails, excellent spoken English proficiency, proficient with MS Office, ServiceNow experience preferred, exposure to application support, ITIL framework, etc., excellent written and verbal skills, and customer service experience. So in order to apply for it, you can just directly click on the apply now button, and you can fill your details and apply for it. If you have any doubts while applying for it, you can ask in the comment section. Let's move on to the next recruitment, which is from Zoho. So Zoho is hiring for the web developer position, and you can see the basic details you need to fill are first name, last name, your email ID, your contact number, year of graduation, your gender, experience in years, current employer, current CTC, if applicable, expected CTC, notice period, skill set, how did you come across this vacancy, current location, preferred location, and you have to upload your resume, and then you have to just submit your application. Once you submit your application, you will get the further details on your email ID. Moving ahead with the next job recruitment, which is from Credit Suisse, which is for the role of C++ developer. Experience required is 0 to 1 year. So if you are a fresher, you can even apply for it. So the location is Pune, and here is the responsibility or the job description. You just please go ahead and read about it. So moving ahead with the skills and experience, graduation or post graduation in engineering or any other relevant technology field, a fresher or up to 1 year of overall working experience, proficient in any time series, DB or relational database, familiar or hands-on experience in Python programming, Shell or Perl scripting along with C++ and object-oriented concepts, outstanding analytical problem solving and logical thinking skills, possess effective communication skills, good to have understanding of market data and market globally, dedication to fostering an inclusive culture and value diverse perspective. So these are some of the skills that are required for it. In order to apply for it, you just have to click on apply button and fill your details, and you just have to submit this job application. If you have any doubts while applying, you can ask in the comment section. So that's all for today's recruitment. If you have any doubts regarding any job recruitment or any other videos, you can ask in the comment section. We regularly post job recruitment updates on our YouTube channel. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get the links in the description box.